Alright guys, 2020 Jetta GLI turbo. It's got custom downpipe and it's fully straight pipe now. So this is what it sounds like. We just took off this resonator, guys. It was too quiet. Again? Sound decibels. Again. 116. He's getting a tune on it next. It'll get the crackle tune. So make sure it crackles, you know? Crackle and pops. That's what I want to do. Yeah. That's awesome. And you guys can see how low it is. So we had him take the front bumper off. The front bumper is over there. I'll show it to you guys in a second. So he used our tools and we took the front bumper off to get it on the lift. Hey, we'll do what we have to do, guys. We don't mind. As long as we can help out in the car community, we will. You see it? That's how low it is. I think it sounds sick, guys. What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't like it. It's loud. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. So before we put the bumper back on, I told him to give us a drive off. And he's like, yeah, I got you. I'll hook you up. So here we go. So we'll hear what it sounds like. Oh, wow. This sucker's loud. I love it. It is, so you guys can see, there's the bumper right there. Look. Is just sitting, chilling, waiting for its car to come back to it. Love it. There you go. That's a drive-by too. So now they got their bumper back on. They installed it in the parking lot. He's playing a little bit with the tune. See, it looks a lot better with the bumper back on. Do you guys like it without the bumper or with the bumper? Looks a lot cleaner with the bumper on it. It's got a nice stance to it. As you guys can see, that's why you had to take the bumper off. Look how low it was. Too low. It's so loud, guys. I love it. Enjoy.